Thank you, Nicola. I'm Shigeki Aoki from Juntendo University, Tokyo, Japan. And I thank also to the Adam Evans and Professor Adam Evans and other people who give me opportunity to speak this kind of interesting conference. And I would like to introduce a little bit about the Juntendo because several speakers speak today, and I'm a NeuroLibre server is in Juntendo in Japan. And next, I would like to talk very shortly about me and also the why I'm a MRI guy. So why I think uh, data science is so important, and should also talk about the shortly about the Japanese status of data science. Okay. And the Dean of the Health Data Science in Juntendo University, and Juntendo, the oldest medical Western style medical school in Japan, published in 1838. And you can find these buildings in 5 minutes from Tokyo Station and very close to the center of Tokyo. And this is a medical university portion. And also we have 5 campuses, including my health data science and 6 affiliated hospitals. This is the largest conglomerate of the medical hospitals in Japan. Mainly located near Tokyo. And our history is founded in 1838, and healthcare as well as sports sciences. And we have many Olympians in our university in medical and sports education in Japan. And our campus, Health Data Science Campus, is started last year, very close to 20 minutes from Tokyo. We can find Uraya Station, new Shinraya Station, and what else? These kind of campuses, buildings. These are the students, and in my faculty, there's a very strong supercomputer person. These two are the who makes a K. That was the world fastest supercomputer at the time of 2008 or so. And this is the person who is the leader of the quantum computer in Japan. So very strong supercomputer persons within our university. And they are the research laboratories in my faculty, and now we have a graduate school next year. So if you are interested in graduate the Japanese style 2-year master degree, you can join us. Anyway, and my introduction is I am the HMX is 90 mainly in MRI, and I found 2 journals in medical imaging fields in Japan. One is Japanese Journal of Radiology, I appointed the editor-in-chief Professor Nahanawar 5 years ago. So, and also the MRMS, magnetic resonance and medical sciences. The editor-in-chief is Masaki Hori. He had to be here, but unfortunately began the COVID, and he was very good, but he cannot use the airplane. So, and our department in medical portion, I am also the professor of Department of Radiology, chief of the Department of Radiology as well, and we have many collaboration with neurosurgery. Probably some people very famous. This person is the president of Japan Neurosurgical Society, has been as a previous dean of Geneva University. And I would like to talk about MRI shortly because I like MRI. I love MRI, so it's a very good tool. And I also started my medical professional 1984. That is the same year about the superconductive MRI is in the market. So from that time, the images like this, and sometimes we can take the surgical images and becoming faster and broader application, and especially at the time of 1985 or so, we have two strong to evaluate stroke for diffusion weighted image and MRA. So, and now we're going to the neuroscience, and many departments are involving. Also, we figure out that these are the techniques, and these are the department of related subspecialties of medical and other field. So if when we get a new technique, the boundaries becoming larger and larger, and we need some data. So the data become larger and larger, and we need some way to handle. So I started the big project of Japan Medical Image Database, which is getting very large university, Tokyo University, Kyoto, Osaka, Kyushu, and Keio, 10 large university, and get CT and MRI, all CT and some MRI from this university, and making the database, and we're going to use this database for the research. It's in Japan has a very strict privacy law, so it's a little bit difficult to use and collaborate with a company, but we can use it in research, and we get more than 500 million images. This is a way to use how to use this data. And next, I would like to show some other study in my university and the University of Tokyo. Susumu Mori, many people know that he is a diffusion fiber tracking guy, and come to our department and to join pre-disease stage, to find the pre-disease stage of dementia, and he found that some people increase the brain atrophy very quickly and some of it slowly. In Japan has a very good MRI data of the healthier people who we call it brain dog or something to check the health before disease is very common. So we get 15-year longitudinal 3D MRI data for 500 data. And now we, as you told you, the many two giants belong to my faculty, so we need I need the supercomputer. So sensei and colleague of Himeno sensei and Sato, Professor Sato and Himeno. So please talk about a little bit supercomputer probably, and maybe the introduction of NeuroLibre.